Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody this morning? My analysts had a tough night. That's all right. The analysis was good. I'm making up for some of my overnight losses that my team placed this morning. Slept okay. You know, I never sleep that well. I'm not known for sleeping well. But let's see what we can get going today. Let's see if I can get a win here to start the day. Really similar to yesterday's setup. I don't know if you were there for yesterday's stream. I hope you were. I see there's 300 people in here. Can we get 300 likes, please? Before I start the stream, please hit that like button. It's going to help push this out to more people, okay? And then our community grows. So I would appreciate that. If you like, I'll be analyzing the charts for you today. I will be looking at the pairs you want me to look at, and I'll be giving you some ideas. Now, this is not financial advice. This is education and entertainment only. Don't do what I'm doing. I am a professional trader of 16 years. Do not go break even on me. This candle is going crazy here at the New York Stock Exchange Open. I am hoping to get some sort of profit on this. And you know, yesterday I did forget to spin the wheel, so I do owe you guys a wheel spin to see if we could get some free VIP in here. Okay? That's right. Eska's right. If you don't hit the like button, you're going to get red weeks. That's the rules. Okay, so how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing in the chat? Pat Jr., is that are you my junior? I hope so. Things are going all right. Price action's been a little bit choppy. I'm getting a good reaction off of this level. You could see reacted here, reacted here. Took liquidity right here, and then I decided to enter at that level, and then it's come down. Now, I've been waiting to get on stream to take some sort of a profit here. Maybe I should have profited right there. We almost came back to break even right here. But I am going a little bit further down. I've been targeting this area right here. This is the take profit level that I'm looking at right now. Hopefully we can get that. Let's just scroll out and see what we are looking at like this. Okay, looks pretty good, right? Level of resistance right here in the past, okay? And we've got some room to go down here, although it's been a little bit rangy, so we'll see. It's coming against me a bit right now. That's a pretty big looking candle. Please come back down. Please come back down. All right, what do we got? 400 people in here today. We're starting slow, guys. I'd love to see some likes in here. I'd love to get this going. What broker to use in America? I use AAAFX. Link to that is in the video description. If you want to get free access to my VIP trading room, we've got about, 6 days left here. Got about 6 days left on this deal here. Basically, how it works is you register with AAAFX, and then you deposit at least $300 or more, and then I'll give you free access to my VIP trading room. Bunch of frequently asked questions there as well. That is tradewithpat.com/free. Tradewithpat.com/free. How's the free trade going? I'm not sure. Been just kind of getting ready for the stream, focusing on this position right here. When do I have the open house? Hopefully March. I think March is probably when I can get into the house. So hopefully in March. Dog is doing well. Honey is doing great. She was really groggy yesterday. Thanks so much for asking, Ryan. Yeah, the teeth are clean. Thank you so much for asking, Ken. You know how much my dog means to me. She's my best friend. Everybody knows that. Yeah, so she got her teeth clean. The teeth look good. She was so groggy. She was running into everything. She was falling over. And so, yeah, that was quite sad, but she's so lovely now. Oh, awesome, Cameron. Appreciate you so much for being here again, Cameron. Cameron's been DMing me some of her trading results lately, and she's been crushing the market, so it's happy to see. A coffee maker, Alvin? I don't drink coffee anymore. It makes me look too old. I get big bags. The coffee gives me bad bags. And maybe not sleeping gives me bad bags too. But you don't need to bring anything. Just bring yourself, all right? Tea does the same thing. I think just caffeine in general just gives me bad bags. All right, so what are we doing today? It is 9:37, and I'm looking for some live trades, okay? I'm looking for some more live trades. Sure, I'm in one live trade here, but I'm looking for live trades to do on stream. The stream matters more. The stream matters the most. You came here. You matter the most. You matter to me. Okay. Sitting at $3,300 in profit here. I am kind of holding on to this one. I'd love to get a big win here. Maybe no partials on this one. Let's just see how it goes, all right? So, what are we doing right now? We are taking a look at the markets. This is our stream trading model right now, okay? This is what we're doing. We're looking at that 9:45 a.m. candle. Well, 9:30 to 9:45. It closes at 9:45. This is the New York Stock Exchange open candle. Look, it comes up, it comes down. During that time, what does it do? It creates the candle high, creates the candle low, and that is our range bottom, our range top, and then we have our opening range here. That's on the M15 time frame. We're doing that right now. On stream, we're doing that right now. Then, on the M5 time frame, look, we're just waiting to see, is price going to break out the top? Is price going to break out the bottom? We're going to find out, and then that's going to help us with our direction for the day. In this example right here, look, overall trend direction bullish. Candle breaks and closes out the top. That's telling us that we want to buy, all right? Very, very simple. Next, we got to get in somewhere. Where do we want to get in? Well, you know me. I love supply and demand. I've been trading supply and demand for 16 years. So generally, I'm looking for a demand zone. There's other options, range midlines, FVGs. I'm looking at all of these things, but demand zones are historically my favorite. Stacking those confluences. Cameron definitely knows what's good. Please, everybody, 500 people in here, smash the like button. I really want to get this to 1,000 people in here today. I'm not getting paid for these, so please, let's get some people in here. Let's grow the community. M5 time frame. Look, on this one, price came to my level, pulled back to my level of demand. I entered the trade right there, put my stop loss below here, had my take profit one right there, and then boom. FVG is a fair value gap. Oh, look at this trade. Let's go. Let's get back to the chart. Come on, baby. Cook for me. Cook for me. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get this party started. I need to make some money back. Yesterday, I had a big day. This morning, my analysts lost me a little money. I got to get that money back. Come on, baby. I'm not playing around here. Push, 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 push. We are looking to get out of this trade for a partial profit. Let's pull this up just a little. Well, let's leave it. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. We're going partial profit around this level right there, okay? That's what I'm hoping to get here. We rejected off of this level a couple of times now, okay? But we're going to break through that bad boy. Let's break through that bad boy. Okay. Thank you, everyone, for those likes. I appreciate it. What do? I clap. I clap for you. And we're going to get some free VIP today for sure. Definitely going to be spinning the wheel, all right? What news are we talking about? I didn't see any news. What news? Let me check right here. It's Tuesday. There's no news today. Right? There's no news today. So I don't know what you're talking about. News. No news. There's news on Wednesday. Tomorrow we're going to trade the news. We're going to lose some money. No, I'm kidding. Hopefully we're going to win some money tomorrow too. All right, let's get some more people in here. Let's get this party started. Can I explain a fair value gap? Absolutely. fair value gap is a 3-candle pattern. Let's look at a 3-candle pattern right now. So let's look over to the left side. Look at this right here. Okay, look at that. Okay, and look at this. That is a fair value gap. Why? Because this candle right here does not cover it, right? And this candle right here doesn't cover it, right? It doesn't, the wick doesn't come up here. It stops. So this is unmitigated price in here. This is unmitigated price, creating a fair value gap. And basically price likes to return to those levels because those are levels of market imbalance where there are orders. Oh, come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Jeez, do I take the whole thing here if I come down? I'm gonna take a big partial there if I can. I think what I'll do is if it comes down here, I'm gonna take a partial of, let's say 80%, maybe an 80% partial there, and then let the rest run. It's just, it's you know, I want to bank this here this morning. Take it all. I'm gonna go 80%, I think. No greed, no greed. My analysis got me this far, so why would I change my analysis now? My analysis got me here. I have to stick with my analysis and hope that my analysis is gonna continue this trade down, okay? Thanks, Lokesh, I appreciate you. Yeah, 80%, Mo13, yeah, we'll take about 80%, sure, why not? Naomi is at the gym right now. Naomi's always somewhere. AAAFX is available in the US, to my knowledge. Most of the people here are in the US using AAAFX. I have a Signal group. Yep, the link to that is in the video description. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Jeez. Okay, I'm getting ready here. I'm getting real ready here. This thing is going. Okay. Okay. Come on. A little more. A little more. A little more. Okay, that's it right there. Take profit. Let's take profit right there. Woo! That is a big one, baby. That is a big one. So I'm 80% out on the position. Absolutely huge. Let's buy another Rolex. Now for my next take profit, we're going to see if we can ride this thing down to, say, this level down here. That's a pretty significant pullback, right? We're talking, if I take the Fibonacci here, we're talking pretty close to the 100% level, pretty close to a full pullback below 78.6. That is going to be TP2, okay? So we already hit take profit 1 right here. And I'm going to spin the wheel. We got some free VIP to give out, obviously. What's going on, Fat Pat? Did I tell you that was one of my nicknames? Fat Pat back in the game, slashing your veins after Pat choose your crew. It's never the same. Break bone, full fist flying at your frame. Watch your back. Blast might blow your brain. Okay. Little rap for you right there. Let's spin this thing up a little bit. Get some W's in the chat. Who wants free VIP? And I got a couple longs set up. I got a long on US CAD. I got a long on oil. I'm ready to go. Okay, we got one winner here. Let's go give that to Henko Havenga. Henko Havenga, you are the winner. Shout out to Henko Havenga. Thank you for the W's in the chat. In order to claim your prize, you have to be following me on Instagram. Oh, this guy was messaging me earlier. Look at this. This is fake, guys. Stop falling for this crap. Look at this. Trade with Pat on Telegram. 201,000 subscribers. 3 views. It's fake. Stop falling for this garbage. So many people are falling for it. This guy didn't fall for it, at least. He said he thought it was a bit weird because the signals kept losing. And that is true. Only go to links in the video description. Follow me on Instagram right here. Hey, Henko, make sure to DM me proof that you are Hengo. Okay, I've got 3 long setups right now. So let's get into my long setups. I want to go long on US oil today. All right, I got a nice looking demand zone right there. I got to get a break. I want to go long on US CAD. I got a nice level right here of support right after resistance. I want to go long on US Swiss franc. So those are 3 long positions that I'm looking at right now, okay? So what do I need to do on all of these positions? What do I need to see? You want to know what I need to see? I need to see some titties in the chat. Show me titties. No, I'm kidding. All right, chill out. NU long is great. Let's take a look at oil. So our range is now ready. We have our open range. You know we love range scalping. That's what we love. So our range is set. We're waiting for price to break out the top of this range and come back to our level of demand. That's what I'm interested in seeing today on oil. What do I have on US CAD? Similar. We have range high, range low. We need the price to break out the top of the range and then come back to our level of demand right here. We want that level to be fresh. We're reacting off of that level right now, making it less fresh, which is annoying. But what can you do? I like fresh zones. I like everything fresh, fresh, fresh. Careful for news in 10 minutes. There's no news in 10 minutes. Let's go back to the news. I don't know what news website you guys are using. This is the only website that matters. Please do like that stream. Thank you, Pat Jr. And here is the news. There is no news. Today's Tuesday. Don't get your days mixed up. Tomorrow's going to be messy. We got core PPI. That's going to be a tough day. But I'll be on stream again tomorrow because I'm always trying to make that money. That's what I'm trying to do. I hope that's what you're trying to do too. Boom. Bottom of the range. What do we want to see? We want to see price break out the top. Come back to my demand level where I'm going to enter the trade. Let's make some money. My FX book news is trash. No, I'm kidding. I've never actually looked at it, but I like my news website. I only like high impact news. Maybe that's a medium news that you guys are looking at. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news for you right here. Now, if I set the filter to medium impact news and then we apply it, still don't really have anything on the medium impact news. So do we have to go to low impact news? You guys really like low impact news? Tuesday. I'm still not seeing any low impact news. I don't know what the hell you guys are talking about. Am I looking at this wrong here today? I am not seeing it today. Strong news mate. Strong news mate. Why is it not on my screen? Am I on the wrong week here? Pretty sure it's the September 9th. What the hell my FX book knows about the news? My FX book don't know about the news, man. My FX book don't know about the news, man. Oh, donations. Yeah, give me that money. All right, how we doing? Let's get some paper here. Do we have any breaks happening anywhere? Are there any charts you want me to look at? We have some breaks on gold. Let's take a look. Gold's going crazy, man. Gold is going crazy. What do we do on gold today? We got our range high. We have our range low. And we have a pretty good level down here. Can we get a retracement to that level? I'd like to think that we can. But first, we got to break out the top and then pull back. That's the strategy. That's how this works. Stay away from gold. Well, that doesn't mean I'm going to place this trade. I'm just telling you that this is what I would do if I were to take a gold trade. Do we broke a trend line on oil? Let's take a look at oil. We have not broken the range yet on oil here, guys. That's not a break and close. You need to break and close, okay? Mansion is going great. You want to see the mansion? You asked for it. There we go. How about that? And it's going to look exactly like this. Exactly. With the garden beds. Not the middle. I'm not going to do anything in here yet. But I will have the basketball net. There's an annoying thing over here. We got some stupid thing right here. We have like a generator right here, which can make my driveway look uglier, but I'll just cover it by buying another Porsche or get a Lambo or something. Oh man, I can't wait to chill back here. It's gonna be such a vibe back here. The fire pit's sick too. See the fire pit? So they're gonna have a fire pit here, and then over here I'm gonna have a TV. So right here, you're gonna have a TV, and I'm gonna be able to see the TV from the fire pit, so I could just chill at the fire pit, watch my football, watch my baseball with Chase. And you, nice bricks, thank you, bro. Let's take a look at NZDUSD. Someone's really calling that out this morning. NZDUSD. We have broken out the top. We got a chance to get in on something here. How far down do we want to go? We have a level of demand right here at the bottom of the range, but we are catching a candle, so we have to be a little bit careful here. A little bit careful. Let's see what happens with this candle. That's only a 5 pips, so that's a short range that we have today. Now, the question is, do we want to catch it at the bottom of the range? Will we catch it at the bottom of the range? Do we want to catch it at this level of support down here? It's a better level. That is really the question. That is really the question. We could always take a bit of a smaller trade here just to start the day. Doesn't have to be a big trade. I already made 6,000, or was it 8,000? Did I bank on that one? I think we're gonna have to wait a little bit on this one. We're gonna have to pull this down. You can see price is cascading quite a bit. We do have FVGs here. Okay, that's an FVG there, and we have another FVG down here. Are we getting a reaction already off of this level here? If we could get a positive reaction, maybe we do enter. What do you think about that? Vapul, maybe the bottom of the range, or do we want to try the bottom of the range right here for just kind of a quick scalp to start the day? Don't get the best risk reward ratio here, but it's a decent little pullback here. Do I have gold bars? No, I don't have gold bars. Yeah, so it does look like we have some news today. I don't know what this weird subscription is. Jobs numbers Tuesday could be ugly. Alright, so we gotta be careful. What time is the news at, guys? Tuesday morning. Oh, so it's an update to the news. It's an update to the past news showing that the job numbers are even worse than they thought, huh? 2 minutes? That's in 2 minutes? Well, I guess we got to be a little bit careful then, don't we? Well, that's why I've got my chat here to tell me what the hell's going on. Your USD trend line, break for a sell. Let's take a look at. Oh, happy to hear that you're doing well with Forex Fury, Drew. I guess we're just gonna have to see what kind of reaction we get to the news here. Your USD. Is this the trend line you're talking about? That break? Are you buying Euro USD or you're selling Euro USD? You're looking for a sell on Euro USD. So I guess you're looking more on this trend line here. Where's our orb? Come on, load my orb up. Let's take a look. Most likely USD down. Yeah, but the thing is, it's like if all of the retail sentiment is thinking USD down, is it really gonna go down? So we're gonna need a trend line. We're gonna need to break the orb out the bottom here on Euro USD. Let's see that job number right there. Well, getting Euro strength right there. Is that now? No job numbers reported yet, so we're just gonna have to take a look and see. We were gonna buy US CAD. Oil broke. Okay, good sign. Well, no, it's not closed yet. It's got to close as well, right? It's got to be break and close. Maybe we'll have an oil trade here. Thank you, Magic. Oh no, don't reject. Let's get the break, please. All right, we're supposed to get the news in about a minute. I think we'll wait to place our trades for a few minutes here just to see how that news pans out. It is playing peekaboo, isn't it? That was a good take profit one, wasn't it? Look at that. All right, we're starting to see a reaction here on US 30 to the news by the looks of it. Is NZDUSD gonna rock it? NZDUSD did rock it. Yeah, damn it. I was thinking about buying that too. Look at that. Euro USD. So Euro's going to shoot up probably too, right? Yeah, everything is shooting up. So obviously the numbers weren't great. Orb settings, sure. There's the orb settings right there. These are the settings that I use to win trades on stream. I hope everybody hit some wins off that news. It looks like everyone was thinking US dollar weakness. And now we're seeing some US dollar weakness. Okay, those are the orb settings right there. All you need is really the opening range and the custom range. That's all that you really need, okay? NZDUSD got sniper entry. Amazing. Why I don't trade ICT? I've never really traded ICT, to be honest. I learned trading well before ICT was ever a thing. Now some of the terms he's used have, become popular culture, like fair value gaps, which I do use, but SMT and this sort of thing, I just don't bother with. I'm just mostly looking at good levels. Yeah, gold pumped. Jeez. Shot up and came back down. Look at that. Look at the wick on that thing. So what are we really interested in now? We got to be careful. We had some crazy news. Look at this. You want to come? You want to try and catch us down here? Where do you want to catch us for a trade? We've got to be a bit careful right now. Oh, looks like I triggered in on NU. I wasn't going to take that. I didn't even have the limit set, Vapool. What happened on NU? Why am I in an NU trade right now? What the hell? My analyst just choked me by the neck here. I wasn't even going to take this trade. What the hell? Vapool, what the hell happened? Why are we in this trade? Why are we giving the market some profit today? What the hell? We were going to wait to place this trade. Well, okay, well, I guess I'm in a trade. Jeez Louise. Put some L's in the chat. Where's my even entry on this one? Okay, what do we got in it? 450. Put some L's in the chat for Vapool right now. So I'm in a trade right now that I don't like. I was hoping to catch it lower. I don't know what the hell I'm ever gonna do with this freaking trade. We discussed we're not gonna place a trade yet. He said, hey, it was on the chart, so I guess, hey, it was on the chart, but I did not want to take this trade yet. Well, let's see if we could get some sort of a reaction. You know, I was actually thinking about getting in down here below the obvious support, maybe a liquidity play, but now I'm in just on crap. I may have to pull out of this thing. If we got in there, we would have been looking good. Damn it. My analysts are boning me today. Vapool is really good, Drew, that's for sure. Vapool is really good. We had a little bit of a miscommunication here. Vapool and I have been trading together for many years, so that rarely ever happens. But with the stream, it's a little bit more difficult, obviously, for Vapool. This is an entry level right here that I like a lot more. Hopefully we can get a reaction. Look at the liquidity play. That would have been a good entry. I was pulling the trade down to that level to get in. I would have liked that a lot more. Okay, well, I'm stuck in this one now, aren't I? Jeez. This is a NZDUSD. I didn't want this because of the news. We were saying let's not place a trade because of the news, and next thing you know, I'm in a trade. What the hell's going on? Why am I in this trade? I don't want to be in this trade. Oh well. Let's see. You bought GU? USD JBP. I've never seen someone do USD before the GBP. You bought this? Why'd you buy it? Is there a reason? Yeah, there's a lot of manipulation happening right now. That's why I didn't want to place a trade. We talked about it. The news is in 3 minutes. Now it's 10:06. Why are we in a trade already? Yeah, cross your fingers for Pool. If I lose 5 grand on this trade, I'm going to fire him. The news was like some sort of updated thing. This is the news here. That was scary, Cameron. Be careful. U.S. added 911,000 fewer jobs in the year through March than reported. Holy crap. So they reported basically 1 million more jobs than they added? Holy crap. That's quite the revision right there. Okay, Vapool, I don't know what the hell we did. I can't stay in this trade. We're never supposed to be in this trade in the first place. Let's look for other trades. I'm not counting that as a trade. I was not supposed to be in that trade. I don't count that as a trade. This news is killing me lately. Let's look for some actual trades. My NQ take. I don't know what the hell to think on anything right now. The news, when the news pushes the market like that, you just have huge candles. Is anything going to respect price action? I don't know. US dollar still beating up on the Canadian dollar because the Canadian dollar absolutely sucks. Rest in peace, footpool. It's free. All right, yeah, US CAD. Let's see if we could get a pullback here. I don't love the market today, though. I hate the news, man. The news ruins our trading all the time. The news always ruins our trading. I just want some normal price action. Don't you want normal price action? I think we're going to get in at the bottom here, probably. Yeah, that's so far. That's not coming back. The likelihood of that coming back now is small. Too much news. I hate the news. The problem with the news is it's fake news. That felt pretty good. Oil's down. Alrighty. Let's see if we could catch oil at demand here. Vapul, you can set this limit up. No more mistakes for either of us, obviously. Let's try oil here today. Let's try and get on some oil. Excuse me. Gosh. Fury is a robot, so it's automatic. The trades on Forex Fury are automatic. ForexFury.com. What else do I have going on? Not too much. Yeah, Grant, it is hard to judge what's going on. And I can't wait to get my new robot out there too, the Trade with Pat robot. It's been 8 years since I've released a trading robot. 8 years. So I'm so excited to release the Trade with Pat robot. It's the thing I'm most excited about. Obviously, Forex Fury, fantastic. Still going to be around. I hope that the Trade with Pat robot can be as good as the Forex Fury robot. I think it's going to be better, but I don't know. Oil is set. Thank you, Vapul. Let's take a look at a lot of people saying I should take a look at EU. So let's take a close look at EU. Oh, US CAD. Are we taking US CAD? Yeah, we could set up US CAD, Vapul. I don't think it'll probably... I think it's unlikely to come down, but let's take US CAD. So we have oil, CAD. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Yeah, we'll try and get into some trades now. US 30, it looks like, look, we're coming up to break even here. Look at my sniper exit, bro. Look at that sniper TP right there. I took 80% of the position there. I should have took 100, but 80% of the position there was good for about 8 G's. Was it 8 grand that I got off that, or 6,500 I got off that? So we're still looking pretty damn good today. This one's about to go break even. Let's take a look at US oil here. We're close. US CAD. There's a chance that we could get in on one of these. People are saying they want to get in on EU. It is a sell setup based on what we're seeing. This is a sell setup. I think we could try it. Just the problem is the news is making everything bad. So whatever I'm doing today is going to be very risky. I want you to know that everything that I do today is going to be very, very risky. Let's pull that up to here. We'll head in kind of here. So that's, you know, with the trend line, with the top of the range. You know, do we really want to be bearish on the US dollar today? The price action is saying yes. The fundamentals are saying no. Let's get some damn likes in here. Who wants to see me trade? A lot of people saying gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold. Gold, we never broke out the top. Gold, we broke out the bottom here of our range. We rejected the top of the range. We broke out the bottom of the range, but price action is not telling us to sell, right? The price action is telling us to buy from down here. So there's not much I can really do about that. I have oil, I have this, US CAD, and I have EU as well. Vapul, what do you think about the EU? Price actions telling us that this is a good entry. It's just the fundamentals are bad today, so be careful. Location of Israel attack on Qatar. What the hell are you talking about? This is a trading. This is for trading. This is not for foreign affairs. That's not a sentence, bro. Location of Israel attack on Qatar is not a sentence. This is a trading community. This is trading. What's going on, Rohit? Yeah, so we're just going to keep it at these 3 limit orders right now. Okay, so I have just the 3 limit orders set. Just to be safe. Oof. Kind of like this one too, though, Vapul. Let's do 4. Let's just do one more here, Vapul. Let's just do 4. Let's go right there, okay? Just so we have 4 limits, Vapul. That's it, okay? How do you feel? If you disagree, let me know. $600 W on Nasdaq. Let's go, big dog. Let's go. W's in the chat for Stormer. I'm looking to get in on a buy here on US oil shortly. I'm looking to get a buy on US CAD shortly. I'm looking to get a sell on Euro USD shortly. I'm looking to get a buy on US dollar Swiss franc shortly. Now, all of these are reacting right now, so we are going to have to be quite careful. Quite careful. So we have 4 limit orders set, and I'm just kind of flipping between these orders to see which one's going to come first. It does seem like we are getting some pullback opportunities soon, live on stream today. I enclosed when I was up 1K. Alvin, I already hit TP1 on that trade for about $6,500 here. TP1 was right there, a perfect seat TP1. It was about 6,500. So I've only got about 20% of the original position open still. So I've just been holding that to see, you know, if it comes all the way down here, it makes it worth my while. All right, so I already hit a huge one here, no problem. 17 Indian trying to make it up to the top. Do you think I can make it like you? I think you could make it better than me. When I was 17, I was a loser. I was playing video games all day. I was incredible at those video games, but I was still a loser. The fact that you're out here trying to cake up, thinking about money, thinking about the grind, thinking about hustle, thinking like you want to get to the top is a good sign for you, brother. That's a good sign. Because when I was your age, I was just trying to get laid and play some video games. That's it. Drinking with my friends, right? It was only when I became 24, 25 that I start really taking life seriously. So you're 8 years ahead of me. You could definitely get to where I am. You could get to even better than where I am. Yeah, Adam's got the right plan. See, that was my move too, right? I didn't do any, like, even when I was like kind of being an idiot and I was drinking and everything, I was still studying. Oh, jeez. At least you went break even on that. Please be careful. Please smash that like button if it's your first time here. Please give it a subscribe. Stream record, 45 wins, 12 losses. We're going to have to add one loss in there. Just Vapool loss. That's it. I'm not taking that one myself. NZDUSD. Yeah, see, this is where this was the entry was down here. It was below this level here. That was your entry. There's a liquidity entry, right? Liquidity. Easy. Your USD, US CAD, US oil. Your USD is reacting. I thought we were gonna get a deeper pullback on your USD and get into this trade. Oh, look at Bobby Fischer hitting on our girl Cameron. We got a little love connection going on in the chat. I appreciate that. All right, if you say it's not my loss, it's not my loss. Just W's for me today, then. US 30's playing with your feelings. I know. Everything is today. The news is crazy today. Thank you for those likes. I do trade gold. I actually have a gold trading room with about close to 1,000 members. We've had a really, really good year on gold. Oh, Bobby Fischer's already taken. He's not hitting on Cameron, but I'll hit on Cameron then if you're not going to. Cameron is very nice. She's team married, but she's a hot lady in the chat. Let's be real. Only hot ladies in the Trade with Pat chat. Well, it looks like some people were able to hit some W's today. Cameron's got a husband, of course. He's a lucky man. He's got a trader for a wife. A trader for a wife. Oh, I like this one. Vapool pointed out we got a little bit of supply here on GU that's pretty nice. Got a nice supply. Yeah, it requires a deeper pullback. I doubt we're going to get that, though, Vapool, but it is a nice look. Please check gold. The price action, I told you, it was telling me to buy from this level down here. I had interest in buying from there, but I didn't break out the top of my range, so I don't have enough confluences to take the trade. Abel Adekwu. Just click the link in the video description to check the pricing, all right? It's affordable. That's why we've got a couple thousand. I'm gonna get you a new era D. What's that mean? You want me to wear like a tiger's hat? What you talking about? No Discord. Everything I do is on Telegram right now. I will be creating a Discord for a free Discord room for us to chat our strategies. Yeah, you want me in that? You want me in that tiger's hat? I can get a tiger's hat. I like the Tigers. I like Miguel Cabrera, right? Miggy. You want the Yankees hat, Alvin? All right, we could throw the Yankees hat on for you. The guy who's asking how much is the telegrams, just click the link in the description. Go look yourself. All right, put the Yankee on for you. Oh, hey, Haley, how are you doing? Thanks for joining us this morning. Always happy to see beautiful Haley in the chat. Haley is a very successful woman in her own right. She was the youngest franchise owner. Uh-oh, I did some research on you, Haley. You do look great. So, congratulations on being a young franchise owner. You're a very impressive lady. I'm happy to have you here in the chat. I'm a chill guy making money. Still waiting on that back scratch. Yeah, the news was crazy today. So, are we getting close on any of our limit orders here? It's not looking like it. But I am still up about 13 here. I slept, but I never sleep well, man. I never sleep well. Oh, look, we're coming back down. We're coming back down for TP2. How about that? Give me some juice. Buy limit coming closer on US CAD. Let's take a look at that quickly. Come on, come to daddy. Ryan. I got some good guys here. I got some good guys in the chat. I got wingmen in the chat. Yeah, I got the problem, Eric, is the weed gummies I get. I get the gummies that are like the uppers all the time. So I always get the sativa, and then I lose my mind. Oh, sorry, I gotta bring the hair out, guys, so I can take the hat off for a minute. My hair's, I know it doesn't look good, but I got too much hat head, you know, it starts hurting your head. Thanks, Bobby. Oh, thanks, Mrs. Couture. Another beautiful lady. An artist. We have very talented women in the chat between Mrs. Couture, Haley, and Cameron is here. Cameron is on a hot one, and Inchin is here as well. We've got 4 ladies in the chat. 4 regulars. Don't worry, Haley, you're not out of luck. Baddies who trade, yeah. Not out of luck, Haley. Definitely not. All right, Ryan is playing a killer wingman here. We gotta spin the wheel for Ryan. Let's get some free VIP. Actually, we already did free VIP, didn't we? How you know they aren't dudes with fake accounts? Well, I've talked to some of them on Instagram, actually. And I don't mean nothing naughty, no nudes, although I wouldn't be mad at it. Okay, all right, I'll chill out. I'm turning up too much today. Everyone wants me to spin the wheel. They could be catfishing me. I don't know. Haley's got a pretty good backstory. I don't think she's catfishing me. So let's go ahead. Fine, we'll spin the wheel. Why not? We're spinning the wheel. I'm seeing so many damn W's. Let's spin the wheel. I'm at 1,500 on this one. Let's go for a TP2. What do we got? 2 winners? All right. Let's give one. His name is Beyond the Plans. And then the other one, let's go to Griffin Say. Those are the 2 winners right now. To claim your prize, make sure that you're following me on Instagram and that you send me a message with an image of your YouTube account so I know that it's actually you. Let me get back to this trade here as I'm looking to get to take profit 2. We've been in this trade for a long time. I've been in this trade since 3:40 in the morning. Yes, 3:40 in the morning. Does Pat ever sleep? No, he does not. I need Haley to help me sleep, or one of you ladies has to scratch my back until I fall asleep. It's tough sleeping in a bed without a back scratch. That's all I know. Pat's being too needy today. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta sleep some more. I think Couture is calling me out for being needy today. I never do sleep, I know. Maybe when I get some of your beautiful artwork in my house, I'll sleep some more. I wake up, I look at the charts, and I jump in. Have I been to a doctor to check it out? Yeah. I think it's just one of those years. It is definitely stress, Haley, yeah. It's definitely stress this year. Personal life hasn't gone the way I like this year, let's be honest. Business is great. Personal life, relationships, that sort of thing, not going my way this year. Don't like to get into my personal business too much here. I just like to hit on women and trade. That's all right, Tim. That's all right. I gotta pull the Bugatti. I am 40 years old. Thanks, Bobby. Appreciate you, dog. Are we close on any of my trades here? I've never been to Colombia. I do like Colombian ladies, though. We're getting a bit closer off US CAD here. About 5 pips. Euro USD. We're gonna get. I'll get into something I think today. It looks like we have some opportunities. Let me get back to my US 30 position here. Looking real nice. I've been in this trade all day. Thanks, Grat. Appreciate you. Australian dollar for Doesburg. A lot of people looking at AUD USD right now. Let's take a look at AUD USD right now. Very similar play to NZDUSD. You can see we had a strong level of support, grabbed liquidity below that support, and then we pushed up. I do like the ladies. I do like the ladies. They don't like me, though. Only the charts like me. You have a place in Medellin, so I can go to Colombia to Eric's house. Who else is coming to Eric's house with me? Let's go to Eric's house in Medellin. We can have a trade with Pat meetup in Medellin. Let's go. That sounds fun. Appreciate the offer, Eric. This is not financial advice. How nice is this place, Eric? Let's throw a little picture in the chat here. Let's see the place. Swingers party. Yeah, I have one baby girl. She's 2.5. She's my twin. She looks exactly like me. She's on stream all the time. Usually, when she's on stream, we win a lot. We win a lot of our trades. She's my good luck charm. She's absolutely my twin. She looks like me. She acts like me, which is incredible if you like yourself. Whitewashing those narco dollars. Yeah, we can do some money laundering there. And Edward, that's a bit personal, all right? That's a bit personal. There's a lot of snow. There's more snow in Medellin than there is in Canada. Oh, thanks, Bobby. Appreciate that. Try to be a good dad. What I do with her lately is she comes in bed with me, and then she goes under, and then I take the blankets, and I put the blankets over both our heads. It's so cute under there. Don't say money laundering on stream. Yeah, I would never money launder. I don't need to. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I pay all my taxes, and you should too. You should pay all my taxes. That's what I'm saying. I pay all my. You should pay. I'm against all illegal activity, for the record. Push down, baby, push down. I will do another spin of the wheel if this goes to TP2 here. Oh, come on. Oh, you know when it's going like that, that feels so good. It feels so good. Should I do a Eric, should I do a live stream from your house in Medellin? What's the internet like there? Shout out to Mohid Pro from Sudan. I hope you're doing well in Sudan, brother. The winners, oh, beyond the plans, you get planes. You won. You get access to VIP trading room. Make sure to DM me on Instagram to get your access, brother. Oh, you got Starlink there? Hell yeah. Oh, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, Honey's doing good today. I appreciate you asking, Josh. She's doing great today. She looks good. She's happy. Yesterday, she was all groggy. We took a nap on the couch, sleeping face to face. Honey is my best friend. This is getting too deep on here. Sitting at 2,000. Let's win some more money. I'm hoping it drops. I'm looking for this thing to drop. We've been hanging out in this trade since 3:30 in the morning here. You might as well just go to TP2. You know that's where I want you to go. Come on, baby. How are my limits? Are my limits getting any closer? Doesn't look like any of my limits are closer. The news is really screwing us. We're going to be a couple days in a row without the on-stream starting trade. Yeah, thanks for liking the stream. Appreciate that. Oh, thanks, Vegas. I like knowing about your lives, too. Look at that. Okay, we're almost there. We are almost... Oh, no. No. What are you doing? What the hell is that? Is there more news? What did Trump just get shot? What the hell's going on? Jeez Louise. It's unbelievable the news does to the markets. All right, come back. Yeah, come all the way back. Something in Qatar. Is foreign affairs getting involved in this too? I want to hit the TP, man. I've been waiting on this trade since what, 4:30, 3:30 in the 3:30 in the morning. I don't want to just pull my profit now. We got to hit this TP too. Did Trump sneeze? It was the best sneeze. I love to sneeze. Vapul, did we have any more trades on the new trading strategy? Yeah, I want to show you the new trading strategy. All right, what else is going on? Did Trump sneeze? I sneezed. It was the best sneeze. I have to keep sneezing. Well, that one guy who told me to take profit, someone told me to take profit right there, and that guy's a genius. So, COD Moment, you're a genius. Kambala, Kambala. They say, I like saying Kambala. They say I'm making a mistake when I say Kambala. I just like saying Kambala. Whoa, okay, so what's going on with our other trades? There's nothing, everything's going crazy on this trade. US oil, nothing on US CAD. Oh, they're all going the opposite way. We're not getting the pullback on anything. 5-minute time frame. Let's go ahead and take a look. I had another big trade this morning here I want to show you. Okay, so this is I have a video coming on this strategy next week. I just want to show you something. So what you're doing here at the beginning of the day is you're looking at the time is Eastern, okay? So I guess the beginning of the day starts here, right? Beginning of the day starts here, Vipul. 0, 0, right? So we go 0, 0 to... Is that right, Vipul? And then so to here. So this is our 4-hour candle to start the day. So you go from here, like this, okay? And this 4-hour candle, and then the 4-hour candle is done, okay? And then what we're doing is we're waiting for the price to come out the top or the bottom of the range, and then when price enters and closes back inside the range, we enter the trading position. We go for maybe a 1 to 2. This one was 1 to 2.5 I hit this morning. This was actually a massive trade. I'll be doing a full, I'll be showing giving you a full breakdown of this strategy next week, okay? I'm just trading it live this week, making sure that it actually works very nicely. It's something that I've used in the past as well, but I do find it's working a little bit in the market right now, so I'm going to want to check that out. Let's not recommend other channels, bro. Let's just a 10-second timeout there, that's all. We don't want to send people to other channels. Stick on ours. Yeah, I was looking at that Ethiopian dam. That looked pretty cool. It looks like the Ethiopians are getting their stuff together over there. I've got a lot of time for that. Jesus, this one has been going nuts. All right, it's 10:40. Our US oil is no good. Our US CAD is no good. Our US USD is no good. What the hell's going on? All right, we've done some wheels, which I do like to do. Does anyone want free VIP? This is another way to get free VIP. Come to tradewithpat.com/free. Okay. If you deposit money, deposit with AAAFX. Okay. At least $300. Use my registration link here. I'll give you free access to the VIP room, okay? Just something you may want to consider. I have another chart that I'm looking at, AUD Swiss franc, potentially here for a long. It's close, but I don't love it. 300 US. Yeah, they are taking US clients, to my knowledge. I'm pretty sure almost everyone who signed up is from the US, so I'm not sure where you're getting that, Brandon, but maybe just go back to the website and try signing up instead of guessing. That's my guess. You know, just don't, there's no point guessing. Crypto. Brendan, I'm not sure why you keep saying that. That is false information. Okay, that's false. Just go to the website and you can sign up. One more trade? I know. I know. There's 2 days in a row. I can't get an entry. Tomorrow, I'm definitely getting a trade. Tomorrow, we're definitely getting a trade. In the meantime, check out my robot, forexfury.com. Forex Fury rules. Consider joining the VIP trading room. We had a couple trades in the VIP trading room. I think that's it for the stream, though. I think I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, guys? Let's see if we could get more than 1,000 people tomorrow. I guaranteed it today. I know, and we did. It just didn't cap, and the news came. What can I tell you? But I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see if we get a trade tomorrow. It's not a big deal. We're just here to trade ourselves and hang out. VPS, the link is in the video description. Ben, thanks everyone for watching. I love you. Let's hang out tomorrow. Let's get a lot of people in here. It's our last day of the week. Tell your friends, tell your family. Let's do it. Love you. Always.